We enjoyed the last videos today. We need to get some e-liquid. The bike is running a bit cold because it's not been driven for a few days. Yeah, it's 7 degrees today. The place I need to go is not that far. Front tyre does need, I think the front tyre needs pumping up again because it feels a bit strong turning. Check that at Tesco's though. I got what I wanted. Oh, sorry, needed. Gonna go to Tesco's, fill my front tyre up. Whee! Good job, I got good balance. Where you going? Why is that on? Why did my high beams come on? They shouldn't have came on then. I've got a slow puncher, had 22 PSI in, so supposedly should have 25 PSI in. So I've got a slow puncher, so I'm gonna go to that tyre place there, but I don't want a new tyre because I cannot afford to replace it, and plus I want to replace both of them at the same time. What they can do with the front tyre for the time being. I do apologise, I didn't realise it got their start. So found out nothing wrong with the actual tyre. It was leaking slightly on around the rim, against the rim and the tyre. 45 quid, fucking 45 quid. And then I got distracted talking to another fella biker. Ended up being a Scottish biker. He's got a really nice BMW S Summit, a Harley Davidson. Showed me the picture of the Harley Davidson and it fucking looks nice. Yeah, it was leaking around the rim area of tyre and the rim. I don't know what, I'm not quite sure what they've done. So, not sure what's going on with my front tyre or if it's been sorted or not. We'll find out in a few days. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I do apologise for it being dark. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.